Hi guys, I'm Owen from Square Balloon, and today we're going to talk about how to set up Filezilla using SFTP rather than FTP. So I'll show you how we do it. You see a previous tutorial which showed me how to create the SSH certificates not certificates but keys in cPanel. So I've clicked on File, and then I'm on File Manager. I'm going to create a new site for versions for coaches.co.uk. Over here I'm going to change this to SFTP, and it's going to be conversions coaches. So this is the subdomain we're using. In this one I'm going to change it to key file. The user I'll need to get from cPanel, so I'll grab that quickly. So here's my user. It's always that part of the home directory, so I'll stick that in there. The key file I now need to grab, which I've downloaded from cPanel. So first thing I'll do is grab that. So this id_rsa.ppk. So I had to convert my my ordinary key file into a ppk file. You can do that online, or there's loads of ways to do it, or you can do it directly in cPanel, which I showed you on the previous tutorial. So now that I've got that there set up, next thing I normally do is set up the default local directory. So we have it in htdocs for coaches.co.uk. So I'll select that, and then what I want is this default remote directory. Now normally you might just do public HTML or something slightly different in cPanel. I'm going to choose this entire home directory. I'm going to copy that. Remembering your cPanel may look slightly different depending on your theme, but you should still be able to find it somewhere there. I'll tick both of these and I'll show you why in a second. So what I've just done, these are remote files or local files where I'm going to save everything on my computer. Remote ones are all on the server. I always want to be in my public HTML for a website. In general, I've got SFTP. My host is normally my domain name, but you could also use an IP address if you don't have it set up yet. If you're trying to use a domain name which is live, but you're trying to do it on a remote server, then you would want to use the host file in your Windows. I'm not sure how to do it on Mac or Linux, but I can do you a host file tutorial after this. We're doing key file. We're doing the user, which we've got from our cPanel, and we're selecting the key file to use. And then when we connect, we'll need to use our password. I'm going to add this host and add this key to cache because it's my server and I trust it. Now it's going to ask for the password which we generated a minute ago. So I'm going to copy that and paste it in there. So this is the password for your key file, which you should have created when you use cPanel or however you created your key files. And that is that. We are now connected via SFTP. You can see at the top, SFTP://. So we've got a secure connection now. It will reduce the risk of people eavesdropping on our files or whatever. Not that it's something I would totally rely on, but it's way better than having just FTP. And yeah, if you're ever uploading anything secure, passwords or anything like that, you probably would prefer to do it this way rather than FTP. I'm not sure if I would upload passwords this way, but now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching. We'll create some more tutorials soon. If you like this tutorial, please let us know in the comments so we know to create more similar tutorials.